Hi guys! I know many of you love skulls, well, who doesn't? There is even a famous designer who likes to make skulls on his stuff. Hey Philip, what's up? Let's kick Philip's ass and make a cool t-shirt with a skull. And rhinestones. Of course, where am I without rhinestones? We take a regular t-shirt as a base. Not my size? Haha. I am making a gift for a friend. I bet she'll like it. And I will show you the process. Now I'm looking for a black and white image of the skull and printing it. I've just printed this skull on a transparent self-adhesive film at the nearest print shop. If you have a printer at home, you can buy a pack of paper and print it yourself. Now I'm making a stencil, just with a knife. Boo! I placed this stencil on our t-shirt. I haven't thrown away what I've cut out. This stuff will help me to place the inside elements. Well, now we can throw it away. I protect everything around with the film as now the magic will begin. And so that this magic won't stain the table, there should be a lot of film. Well, now the fun begins. I'm using acrylic fabric paint. Chaos, splashes, magic. Let's add some silver. I think it's enough of paint. We can remove this stencil now. Make sure you read the instructions for your acrylic paint. Some need to be heated and some dry out without it. Anyway, all modern acrylic fabric paint is permanent and machine washable. Mine needs 5 minutes heating. This can be done with an iron or, as in my case, with a heat press. After the paint has dried and seated, we can place the rhinestones. I use multiple colors and sizes and create chaos. Please mind, I put rhinestones only where there is no acrylic paint. I use Hotfix rhinestones, and for their application it is essential for the textile surface to absorb water. Hotfix glue melts and becomes liquid like water. It needs a few seconds to penetrate the fibers of the fabric. It binds to the fibers and the rhinestones are attached very well, much better than with the simple glue. But Hotfix glue cannot soak into the structure of the fabric through acrylic paint. That's why I've placed the rhinestones between the splashes of paint. For the same reason I haven't painted the entire skull. Now, as the rhinestones are in place, I can transfer them. To do this, just press them with an iron. But if you simply press them, the rhinestones can run away from you. To hold them in place and prevent from moving, I cover the entire pattern with thermal film. And now you can press the iron. Well, or as in my case, with a heat press. I've already mentioned this. 30 seconds, not 2 marks, in the heat press. And you're done. That's it! The most exclusive skull with rhinestones is ready! A piece of cake! Now each of you can become a cool fashion designer and make amazing skulls with rhinestones! Hit a like if you liked the video, and dislike if you are feeling plain and you got offended. Everyone, subscribe not to miss my new lessons. Zing! Stay in touch. Have a nice one.